Ha. Yeah.
Huh? Ugh. Mr. P, I don't mean to rush you, but it's been 2 hours.
Chess is a game for those with patience.
But we're starting tonight, and it's going to be great.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Games are for plebeians. A royal family should be above such mundane entertainment.
A family game night is a great chance to have fun and connect. Right, Mum and Dad?
A game night? What a fun, ordinary thing to do. Right, sweetie?
Well, I was looking forward to relaxing on the couch with my book tonight. Plus, we don't have any board games at home, do we?
We could play charades and guess the drawing and hide and seek.
Oh, but who's going to watch the baby if we all play? Perhaps when he's a little older. We can just...
Mr. P will watch him.
Oh, I don't think I...
There, he'll be golden. Come on, we haven't done anything fun together in ages.
Of course we have. I guess I still haven't figured out the microwave. Okay, perhaps we still need to fine-tune this family fun a little.
Please, just one game of charades. Let's spend an evening like an ordinary family. It'll be fun.
Yes, let's have the most fun, ordinary night ever. Come on, Bob.
All right, then. Just one game.
Let's start with charades. Here are the words we'll have to act out.
We'll make a quick win. You'll be back on the couch in a few minutes.
Okay, let's go. The quicker we start, the quicker we'll be done.
It's okay, we'll call her back.
Hello, dear.
Hi, Grandmother. We're about to play... Oh, well, it's a video of memorable royal speeches. So educational for the girls, and so royal, of course.
What a delightful activity. Don't let me keep you then. We'll talk later. Have fun.
Ah.
Way to go, Dad.
Oh, I know. The 3 princes. The 3 royal monkeys?
Well, Your Highness, it looks like you're helping me polish the silver tonight. All right, no silver polishing then. Let's find something you might like to do then, shall we?
3 Kings' Day, the 3 crowns of Sweden, 3 sisters, 3 queens.
3 is just the number of words.
3, wait. 1, 2, 3. The crown jewels. Ah, piece of cake. Okay, next.
Time's up.
Well done, darling.
Try to be a little clearer. We wasted a lot of time.
Isn't this fun?
Yes, it's all about the fun. No need to take things too seriously.
Of course. It's all good, clean, ordinary fun.
Okay, moving on.
Let's find something to keep you entertained. Well, not thirsty. Hungry? It's not bad either. Oh, are you bored? Good. No? Sleepy? Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Queen Mother will buy you a golden bird. Please go to sleep.
Milking a cow.
Well done, sweetie.
A spy. Weather vane. A frying pan. Couch potato.
How on earth is she doing that?
And what in the world is a couch potato?
And if your little crown gets tarnished, Queen Mother will go and get it varnished. I have no idea what you're trying to tell me. I'll go get some help.
Am I Mary, Queen of Scots?
No,
Am I Louis XIV, the Sun King?
wrong again.
King Nebuchadnezzar II?
Nuh-uh.
Are all grown-ups as bad at games as Mum and Dad?
Ugh, I just wanted us to have a fun evening together.
If I may have your attention.
King Henry VIII?
You'll never guess.
Julius Caesar?
No,
Hannibal?
no,
Genghis Khan?
nope,
Queen Ranavalona III?
no, and no.
Ugh, for the last time, it's not a king or queen.
Oh, I can't think of any famous non-royal characters. You're making me nervous. I can't think under stress.
You're the little prince. Even a child could have guessed that.
Mother, this is not what it looks like.
I see those royal speeches are keeping you busy. Call me back when you're done. Good night.
The little prince? How's that a royal? What country is he prince of?
Snowy, I need your immediate assistance with...
I'm busy, Mr. Peasy.
Oh, please. It's really urgent.
So is my new profile picture?
Your Highness, we are going to work on your communication skills. Perhaps what you want is a stroll. Or maybe you want to play? Peekaboo! Good. Bad idea. How about some light reading? Aardvark. Medium-sized nocturnal African mammal with sparse hair. No. I concede defeat.
And then Stella and I got 20 more points at Guess the Character. So we win by 317 to 6.
Wasn't this a lot of fun? We should do it again sometime. Or maybe not.
We're doing it again now.
You want a rematch?
But we're switching teams this time.
What? Why?
Darling, games are not your best skill. And what's the point of playing if you're not winning?
Having fun? As a family?
Nonsense. Stella, go with your dad. Molly and I are going to crush you.
No way! You're terrible.
What?
She's right.
Oh, are you afraid of getting your butt kicked again?
Excuse me? Okay, let's get started and see whose butt does get kicked. Come on, Stella.
No! Stop! I just wanted us to have some fun together, like normal families do. Is that too much to ask?
You mean normal families don't get mad and argue with each other?
What?
This baby isn't making any sense.
Oh, what is it, sweetie? Are you sleepy?
Do you want your dummy wummy?
Do you want to play with my chores?
Want me to play the harp for you?
I've tried everything to no avail.
Ta-ta!
Wait, does he mean...
Scepter?
Septa!
My baby's first word. Whoa, little fella.
Mystery solved.
Thanks for looking after Brady, Mr. P.
I'm sorry we ruined your game night. And I'm sorry, but you really are terrible at games. But the point was to have fun as a family.
Yes, and at least you're just as terrible.
I wanted to feel like a normal family. And tonight went as normal as one could wish for. Anyone fancy a game of Forbidden Word?